Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add effect to overlay only in CapCut for PC. So for instance, I'm going to select the background, just drag to the track, and I'm just going to add the overlay, just put on top another clip. So I select the green screen overlay and I'm just going to remove part, green color, and select chroma key, select color picker, restrain the shadow like so. And I'm just going to add a fake and select the edge glow. Right, just download the effect and add the track. Sorry, don't change the effect. So I'm going to select the alright the black place. And to apply only to the overlay, you can select overlay and effect and then right click. So select create compound clip. You can see the effect has been applied to the overlay only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.